Glass buildings are definitely beautiful. They let in natural light and provide great views. But it's a given that glass buildings are noisy, and all attempts to tone it down have amounted to a Band-Aid, not a real solution. Until now. Building managers and architects and contractors will all want to know about this. So let's visit Mull-It-Over and learn about their sound solutions for glass buildings.
It's happened to all of us. You sit down to work but just can't concentrate because of the noise coming from your neighbors. Well, our next guest has finally solved that problem for good. We're here in the beautiful Bull City, Durham, North Carolina, to take a look at a marvel of modern engineering, One City Place, a 14-story office and apartment building currently under construction by Armada Hoffler in downtown Durham. Let's see how Mull-It-Over's innovative invention has become an essential part of its building construction.
I spent most of my career in construction working on buildings, not too much different than the one we're standing in here today. And what I discovered was every glass building had problems with sound traveling between the rooms. We were in design for a children's hospital, and confidentiality was critically important. So I went on a hard search to find a solution to the problem, and what we discovered was there are no products on the market to address the sound transfer problem. Due to frustration, I ended up going to a sound chamber and figuring out how to fix it and creating Mull-It-Over. When you start a large construction project, you create budgets, you put together a schedule, you put your team together, you track your progress, and you make sure that the quality is very high, and then you try to finish strong. What I didn't realize is all these years in construction where I would start and finish projects was perfect practice for what I was going to end up doing now with starting a new company that manufactured a product that's truly unique.
The Mull-It-Over trim cap is a simple solution to a complicated problem. It's difficult on all glass buildings, to terminate the walls into the glass wall system where you can also preserve the sound between the two units. And this product is a very simple means of achieving those goals.
And the trim caps are an extruded aluminum, come in a bunch of different colors. Very slick design, gives us a beautiful transition from our wall to the glass system.
Good walls make good neighbors in urban environments, and nobody wants to hear what their neighbors are doing or what's on their TV, so sound transmission is an important issue when people are living so close to each other.
Sound transmission from tenant to tenant has always been a problem. When we are looking at the design of our wall systems, we also have STC ratings that are attached to our wall systems. Having a product like Mull-It-Over is a big deal. We want to keep it as quiet as possible.
The problem with glass buildings is the glass attaches on the outside of the mullion, and the mullion becomes the last 5 inches of the dividing wall between the rooms. So we spend a lot of time, effort, and money building walls that are soundproof, but the last 5 inches of the wall is actually an aluminum mullion. Mullions are really efficient at supporting glass. They were never designed to be used as a dividing wall. The aluminum mullion is not only a weak point for transmission of sound, it's also a safety issue in case of a fire. These aluminum mullions were not designed to stop fire from going between the rooms. So we were asked by the architects and code officials if we could go back to the testing lab and create a sound barrier mullion trim cap that would also stop fire. So we went back to the testing lab and created a UL-tested sound barrier mullion trim cap that will prevent fire from going through the mullion for up to 2 hours. If the mullion is left exposed, I can actually have a conversation with my next door neighbor.
And we don't want that.
Hear what I mean?
The state-of-the-art design of the Mull-It-Over trim cap makes it quick and easy to install on just about any glass window building. Just caulk the wall, place and fasten the interior trim cap, secure the exterior trim cap, and you're done. The ease and speed of the installation process, as well as the beautiful aesthetics of the finished product, made Mull-It-Over the perfect choice for another local Durham institution, Duke University.
Duke University, when they constructed their wellness center, wanted it to be a bright, sunny, airy building, the kind of building that you enjoy sitting in. But confidentiality was going to be critically important. And the simple solution was they used the Mull-It-Over sound-barrier mullion trim caps throughout the building so that they could get the look and feel that they wanted for the building, but the performance that they needed to function properly.
Mull-It-Over's continued commitment to global innovation and quality, as well as the proven efficacy of the product, has led to incredible growth in the company, and Mull-It-Over mullion caps being installed in numerous places worldwide, from safeguarding the privacy of global corporate headquarters and hospitals to ensuring the comfort of guests staying in luxury hotels and high-rise apartment complexes. The proven track record of this incredible invention has led to their trim caps being installed in over 1,000 buildings worldwide.
Mull-It-Over Products has been kind of that stereotype American dream story. I was working in construction. We found a problem. We couldn't find a solution to it, and decided that there was a big enough market, big enough potential, and I had a strong enough desire to want to fix the problem that it was worth the risk of taking my wife's down payment for a new car and instead investing it in a trip to the sound chamber. Luckily for me, we were successful at the sound chamber, and we're still married. Once we went to the sound chamber, ran baseline testing, and understood why the sound was traveling through the curtain wall systems, then it was a simple solution of designing a product that would stop the sound from going between the rooms. I knew that when we were successful in the sound chamber and had good test results, that we had a product that was going to change the construction industry. That was less than 7 years ago, and fast forward here to 2018, we're here to celebrate Mull-It-Over sound-barrier mullion trim caps being installed in over 1,000 buildings throughout North America.
To find out more about the marvelous success story behind Mull-It-Over, learn more about their incredible innovative invention, Mull-It-Over trim caps, and see what they can do for your building, please visit mullitoverproducts.com.